Seeking a comfortable and convenient stay in Birmingham, Alabama? Look no further than the Holiday in Birmingham, Hoover, a fantastic 3-star hotel. You can easily book your stay by scanning the QR code on screen or checking the link in the description below. This hotel boasts a prime location, making it ideal for both business and leisure travelers. You'll find 112 well-appointed rooms, each thoughtfully decorated and equipped with all the modern amenities you need for a memorable experience. Whether you opt for a standard room or a spacious suite, you can look forward to a restful night's sleep and a refreshing start to your day. Check-in begins at 3 p.m., allowing you plenty of time to settle in and begin your vacation or business trip at your leisure. The friendly and professional staff are always available to ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience. Checkout is until 11 a.m., providing you ample time to prepare for your departure. Families are warmly welcomed here. Children between the ages of 0 and 18 stay free of charge, making this hotel a great option for family getaways. Enjoy a host of additional amenities, including complimentary breakfast and free Wi-Fi throughout the property. So, for a stay that perfectly balances comfort, convenience, and affordability, remember the Holiday in Birmingham, Hoover. Don't forget to book your stay by using the QR code again.